In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 headset to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the main ways in which you will be able to connect a PlayStation 5 compatible headset with your iPhone, regardless of the model. So, there are two main ways to do this, depending on which technology you have available. So, if you have a PlayStation 5 headset, such as the Pulse Elite, which supports Bluetooth or PlayStation Link, then it is super convenient to connect it to your iPhone. However, if you have something like the Pulse 3D, which does not have Bluetooth or PlayStation Link, then sadly, you will have to use a wired connection. First, I'm going to be talking about the option to do it wirelessly, so a Bluetooth connection, and then later, I'm going to be talking about how to do it wired if your specific PlayStation 5 headset does not support Bluetooth, such as the Pulse 3D, for example. So for the wireless connection, all that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, and once you enable it through the settings, put the headset in pairing mode. So for the actual Pulse Elite, this will be done by pressing and holding the PlayStation Link button for a few seconds. You do this until the LED on the actual headset starts blinking rapidly. Alternatively, if you have a different headset, then you just have to follow the specific manual instructions for your headset. Put it into pairing mode and it is going to appear under the list of available devices. Once this is done, you will be able to choose it from there and automatically connect. Alternatively, if you have to use a 3.5mm wired connection, then you will most likely have to purchase an adapter, such as Lightning to 3.5, assuming that your iPhone model does not have the standard 3.5mm audio jack. So as soon as you plug it in with the cable, it is once again going to be usable, so choose between Bluetooth or a wired connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 headset to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.